Right guys, so I'm inside of CatchEveryCall AI right now, and I got to tell you this is actually much beyond than just catching every call. And I'm going to tell you how that works too. I'm going to tell you how the catching calls work. And actually let's start with that. So the first thing of course you need to do is set up a business, and I've already done that. I've already put in the company name, email address and the phone number, and if you click on next, you can put in some more details like the description, and you do get to choose what the AI agent knows. So this is now by now a very well known technology. AIs can learn about your business and they can respond to people, tell them about whatever queries they have. So you can of course make this work with Catch Every Call 2. Choose an assistant name, give it a description so you can describe what kind of assistant that is, and then you can upload files. You can upload PDFs, text files, PNGs, images too, yeah. Or you can just put in your website address, and the software will try to get your details from your website. Once that happens, it now knows about your product, and people come and ask it questions about your company or your product. It will refer to the material that it has and respond with hopefully the best quality of information that it can generate from the information that you've provided. And you can have conversation starters. Now this is a phone call, so you could have something like hi, how are you, or yo, what's up chief, whatever you want. And you can customize how the attendant will behave, how the AI will behave, how it will talk to people. So all of that is included. When you click on next, you gotta bring in Twilio. So guys, I've seen a bunch of products that deal with phone calls, and they all need Twilio integration. So Twilio, if you didn't know that, Twilio is a service which, okay, let's go to it. So Twilio is actually a phone service that can let you make phone calls. It can also allow you to send SMSs. So here you need to put in your Twilio API keys, and you need to have a Twilio account. So if you don't have a Twilio account, you will need to start one and get your API keys and put them in CatchEveryCall. Alright, so I decided to do a little tour of Twilio to show you how to bring in those API keys. So this is how the Twilio home looks, and I actually have a account there already. If you don't have an account, you will obviously need to create one, and once you've created, you will be asked to create details for it, and I've already done that. I'm gonna log into my account in fact. Alright, so this is how the account home looks like, and what you need to insert in CatchEveryCall is your account SID, and the second thing is your auth token. And of course you will need to buy a Twilio phone number. Now I gotta tell you, phone numbers are not that expensive in Twilio. You could be paying about $1 a month, and that's not too much honestly. $1 a month, not a big deal, right? As long as you get customers, that's fine. So you can just put that information in here, and then you can choose a number. So it will automatically load up the numbers that you have inside of Twilio, and you will be able to choose the number that you want to work with. And then you can choose what kind of auto reply you want. You want voicemail, or you want only voicemail or auto reply. So in voicemail, obviously the customer is going to be taken to voicemail after a little while, and in auto reply you will be they'll be getting a response right away. We apologize for missing your call. Basically you will need to either advertise this very number, or you will need to forward your phone number to this number whenever you are not at work, right? That's how it works. So just remember this. It's not going to be automatically catching the number that you advertise or catching the personal number or the business number that you have. You have to forward the number to this, or use this number actually in your advertising, and then it will be able to do that. So when you click on save and customize, that's all it is. That's done. And you can also make a chat bot with it, right? So there is a recovery system, there is a heading, and you can actually style it, select the theme colors that you want for the chat. Finally, once you're ready, and of course you can also change the photograph of the bot. It's quite a common construct. And once you're ready, click on save and publish. And then you can put this on your website. So you can embed it and people can actually chat with it, right? They can chat with text. So this is a little bit of a difference than catching phone calls, but I guess this is an added feature that you have. You can embed this on your website, or you can chat with the bot by just going to the URL. All right, so it's kind of like giving you responses. Okay. All right, so it's actually quite friendly. I made it a friendly bot, and look at this. It's using emojis and all, so that's cool. And of course, you need to put in information about your business. I didn't do that. Honestly, I didn't give it any documents yet, so it doesn't know much about my business. But if you train it, it will, and then you can put it on your website. So that's the point of it. So coming back to CatchEveryCall, now there is more in this software. So you can actually find local leads with it. So when you click on find leads, you can choose what kind of business you're looking for. These are like a number of different segments, number of different niches, professions, and then you can choose where you're looking for. I mean, the location is California, USA, but I think you can go pretty much granular level. You can go all the way to a city or even a location, and you can source your leads from Google, Yelp, or Foursquare. I have Google, but I think the Yelp and the Foursquare access is for buyers who have better access, or who have put in the Yelp and Foursquare API keys, which I don't have. So I'm going to go with Google, and you can choose what kind of area you're looking for. If so, based on whatever you've put in, it's going to look for businesses within 3 miles. In this case, click on search leads. Gonna take some time, up to 2 minutes it says. Alright, so it did give me the results here. You can see 65 Broadway Dental. You get the email address. There is a website for this business too, and you get that. You get the phone number, and you can even generate a report. So you can create a missed call recovery report for them, which you can send to them and prospect them. So you can talk to them and tell them, hey, this is something that you need in your business, and I can set it up for you. And then you can grab the lead, right? That's how it is structured. And it's going to give you a lead score. So it actually tries to estimate for you how valuable the lead can be, right? So this is how you find leads in your area, and you can call them, or you can mail them, or reach out to them on their website, whatever way you prefer, and see if they're going to be your ideal customers. So that's a lead finder in it. And also you have campaigns. All right, I don't see much happening here. When I click on campaigns, yeah, I can see my dashboard now. So then I can click on my company, I suppose. In Capture, this is the place we go to set up a new business. And grow is to do things with your existing businesses. So it's not exactly, again, related to calling, but then it's got features like you will be able to create GMB descriptions, Yelp descriptions, or SEO titles and headers. So all of this is using AI, right? So when you click on create content, for example, it will create the AI. So let's try this. Let's talk about, we are a plant growth products supplier, and the location in New York is just fine. Specialty USP, the best plant food. And we're in business from 5 years. Notable achievements: helped gardens, 200 gardens grow better plants. Yeah, and you can choose a tone. Click on create content, and your AI content will be created. So you can create GMB descriptions. This is a GMB description. Yelp, SEO titles, done for you, video scripts, copywriting for ads, email writing, Facebook posts, Instagram stories, Twitter posts, reviews, restaurant menu, SEO descriptions, blog content. So this is a tool that businesses can use, right? And then you have reports. So you can actually create a campaign to market to people, and you can capture your reports. We saw the reports when we were looking for the different businesses in niches. And in Masterclass, there is training that will be given to you to help you use this product better. And agency is to let you give access to other people. So if you sell this product to other people, the agency level will control this for you. You will be able to actually customize the name, because this is kind of like white labeling. You can put in your own logo, you can put in your own name, and from users you can add some users and give them access to. So this is how the product works. Settings is you put in all your keys over here, the API keys, the Foursquare, Yelp, whatever you're thinking of. And I got to say, this is a multiple use case product. So CatchEveryCall, or calling or attending calls or giving people information about the calls they've missed, is just one part of it, and it's got a lot of different other stuff. So kind of think of it like the icing on the top of the cake. And if you like this product, get it from me, and I'll tell you why. Because when you get this product from me, you get all the great quality apps that I have as bonus on this product. Plus you get Technique-Force rewards, and that they are really, really cool rewards to have, because you can get my software absolutely free of cost using Technique-Force rewards. And I will have a complete review page where I will detail what I have for you. So make sure you read that page. If you're on the page right now, take a look, scroll down, and you will see all the goodies. Or if you're on YouTube, the link is there in the description. So find it, click on it, and go to my page. I'll see you again with another product. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.